people, right now it's your girl D and I am representing for Kimisha's Closet. See it right there, so the number to contact is 1-876-294-6942. That is 294-6942. That is the number to contact for every information on products and services right now. And trust me, when I say reliable and fast, I mean reliable and fast. I got these in the space of 1 day through Knoxford Express. So Knoxford Express, yeah. So I don't have nothing to worry about. When I say nothing to worry about. Watch this. Kimisha's Closet, that's the name of their Instagram and Facebook, so you guys can check them out. I'm gonna show you guys a few stuff that I purchased from them recently. So these use the AA batteries. These are, yeah. So you use this to remove dirt, oil, makeup. Yeah. This is God, people. God, I tell you. Ooh, my God. Yeah, you know? You just gently use it. Yeah. Clean the face. You see, it's all about it up my lip and all this. You know, long funny about my lip. It's not real. Oh my God. So see the guys, when you see me, I don't know if you not see what's going on right now. I don't know if you guys are seeing what's actually going on right now, but I've been using some stuff on my face to get off the spots and the bumps and all of that. And as you guys can see, it's, you know, taking away all the dead skin off my face. And I had makeup on last night too, so yeah. So as you can see, I not really put it on my eyebrow because my eyebrows still have things on it and I want it to be there. So as you guys can see, yeah. Yeah guys, so Kimisha's Cosmetics on Instagram. Y'all need to go check her out. Oh, and these are pretty reasonable, like super reasonable. I think it's like $2,000 or $2,500. That's like $25 US. Yeah, pretty reasonable, guys. And as I say, you get it same, well, not the same day, like the day after purchasing, you can get it if that's what you want. So I was told that my face has a lot of dead skin on it, and I never believe until I put this on my face and it's rooting them up. So I'm not even gonna finish doing this right now because I need to finish doing my face. So when I'm finished with all of this, I'll go do that, you know. Yeah, finish clean up my face. So this is one thing that I got from them, guys. The brush is all dirty, you know, that I have to wash. I got another color too. Yeah, there's another color. So these guys, these are facial cleansing brushes, and they remove dirt, oil, and makeup from the face. So purchase yours today from Kimisha's Cosmetics. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next item that I received from them. This is a cream for acne. So for the persons that have bad acne, then you can use it. It's a scrub, and I don't know how scrubs go. Yeah, you don't know how scrubs go. So for the person, I don't know scrubs, and I normally want him. I don't want to say put. Oh my fucking God! Wow, yo, my face feels smooth, dog. Tell me, no say so my face so feels smooth. Brother, look there. It really take up the dead ear them, do you know? Me nah ask. It really take up the dead ear them. Me nah ask. Oh my God. This is a good thing to actually get, guys. So yeah. And period. Y'all need to go check her out. I had a lot of dead skin on my face. I have a lot of dead skin on my face. Me need to go to the masseuse, you know. So then call them. So yeah, guys, so you guys can also purchase this from them. She have them in different variety, like different types of these, so y'all can go check her out. Yeah. Another thing that I had gotten from them is I got the bullet. It's the bullet. This is the silver bullet. This bullet is the charge one. This bullet is the one that that you plug in to charge. So it's not the one that use the battery. So it's like you plug it in right here on the top. Wait, give me a minute. Tight. Yeah, so you push it through right there at the top, and you just plug it in. You get your USB or your laptop or whatever you want to use to charge your bullet. You can charge it, and it does come with the charger. Yeah, so that is how it works. Do you guys want to see how powerful this is? Do you guys want to see how powerful this is? Let's go ahead, guys. Remember, if you want me to do product promotion for you, all you have to do is link me on my Instagram. The name of my Instagram is The Official. My official page has 161,000 subscribers, and my backup Instagram has 42,000 followers. Sorry, I meant to say followers and not subscribers. I'm sorry. So yeah, guys, check out my Instagrams, and remember to follow my Instagrams too. And if you guys want me to do product promotion for you, all you have to do is link me up. I do not accept one product because one product does not cover my fee. So I don't accept one product. It has to be more than one. So if you want me to do product promotion for you to boost your business, then link up. You don't know how the thing go. Alright? Watch this now. This is gonna blow y'all minds. I don't think it's dead. It just, you know. When I hear this, wait. Let's see what else it can do. Oh, it's slow down. Ooh, style. Oh, yeah. I feel you. Yeah, so I have different styles, and it's not off because I was holding down on it. If you hold on it too long, then it turns off, and you have to hold on it for it to turn on. But you click to change the vibrations. Here's another one, guys, that I also got from her. Kimisha's Cosmetics. Again, the phone number is 924-69242. Sorry, that's 924-6942. Kimisha's Cosmetics. Go check them out on Facebook and Instagram by the name Kimisha's Cosmetics. You don't know how the thing go. You don't know how the thing go. You don't know how the thing go. Okay, so look. Now this one, however, is the AAA battery. The AAA battery. So as you can see, this is a good bullet, because the ones with the small batteries, they don't really work, but these do. So y'all need to go check them out. You turn the battery in and put the top part up and put this on it like so. Yes, you put this on it like so. Wait, how am I going here? And you press the top. Is it dead? I don't think it's dead. Did I not do it properly? Because it worked yesterday, so I don't know. Thought I did wrong. Did I do it okay though? Wait, I don't even remember how it's supposed to turn in there, you know. I totally forgot. Okay, so I think it goes down like that. Alright, let's try it like that way, because I think that, oh yeah, I did it wrong. So this one has the lower frequency for the females that like it, you know, slower and lower, and you know, it gives you that buzz and you take that time to come. So the battery one, it does have a lower frequency, but you can turn it up. See, it's actually fast too. But the thing is, this one is just, it has this nice feel to it because it's so smushy and nice, you know. So it has this softer feeling. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm done. Stop. I'm not gonna be rude. Not today. So yeah, guys. Oh, this one has different styles too. It have different styles of people. It have buzz. It buzzy. Yeah, guys. So remember to check out um, these uh, these items over there, and I'm trying to turn it. Whoa. Okay, let's just turn the battery the other way because I'm not having this right now. Okay, let's just not leave the battery in there at all too, because we don't want to break it. Yeah, guys. So whoa, check out Kimisha's Cosmetics. Check them out, check them out, check them out, check them out, check them out. She's very business oriented. She's fast and very reliable. So you guys ought to check them out right now, and tell her D sent you. Okay? Yeah. Tell her D sent you. Love you. Bye.